spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
Oh man.
I'm playing RuneScape right now. I'm getting more done in RuneScape than this game has gotten done in fucking 4 years. I'm mining a fucking node. I'm getting more enjoyment out of clicking on a fucking wall and getting rocks than playing this piece of shit game. Like, this is just content. Like, if someone was streaming right now, they'd just be getting a fucking free 20-minute rant about how shit Paladins is. And the fact that the scene is so fucking dead.
Backbone. Flat on the floor of my life, the world just leaves me behind. I wanted more at this point, but I keep losing my voice. I don't wanna be like that though. Better grow a fucking backbone. Better grow a fucking backbone. Better grow a fucking backbone. Backbone, 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 backbone,
In competitive esports, the integrity of this game is amazing. Can't even fucking start the match. God forbid you actually had a tournament in this game. I'd just love to watch them. Oh, the team's now in the draft. They've picked Atlas and the game crashed. Alright, 5 minutes ago, we just need to reset the lobby. It would seem that 2 of our users, they have lost all their loadouts, so we're just going to have a 15-minute break. I'm sorry, just technical difficulties. Thank you very much.